Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMARKETIng, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO expert as well. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, hello Ali, I am running an ad campaign for a laundry service in my locality. I don't know why, but I am putting selected handcrafted keywords, and Google is automatically adding keywords to the campaign which I don't even need. I'm putting in 50 keywords, and after a few days when I get back, then there I see there are 600 to 700 keywords. Please guide me how to work. I'm posting here to learn and find what my mistakes are that are leading to this and how can I avoid them in the future. Okay, so first of all, I assume that this may happen with you for a single time or twice, but not recurring. But in either scenario, this is happening due to a one common mistake and a common reason which is happening on Google Ads. And I'm going to show you as well. Let's say this is an account of a Google dashboard. What you have to do is to simply move on to the recommendation tab, and you may see that there are often recommendations. If you don't apply them, they are going to be applied automatically. So you can always dismiss them, or you can also cancel them. But again, you can see the recommendations are over here, and if you click on them, you can see apply all, dismiss all. You can individually select and individually look around or select the cross button to dismiss individually. What I'm telling you is that there is a recommendation features on Google Ads which constantly recommend new recommendations for your Google Ads account, and they are automatically applied. So this may be the reason over here that sometimes Google may have suggested you to add 500 to 600 new keywords, and you may not have bothered to look around on the recommendations, and they have automatically approved those recommendations. Even if you look around on the other account, for instance, this is another account, you can simply move on to the recommendation. You may see that there is another recommendation available over here as well. And if I look on another account, I'm select the recommendation, and I'm going to see that there is the same pattern, and there are recommendations which are automatically suggested by Google, and there's a high chance that Google may have, like here the Google is suggesting to remove redundant keywords. Google may have suggested to add other keywords on your account, and that could be the reason you may are seeing, like here, add broad match keywords. Now if you don't do yes or no, they are be automatically gonna be applied on your account, and you may be seeing like, oh, I didn't added those, and how come they are over here. So this is the reason, and this is called automatic recommendations, auto recommendations, which is a Google algorithm which do it. So guys, in case, if I hope this answers the question as well. And in case guys, if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, SEO or web development services, you can hire me and my team. What you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description to get started with this. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I get a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you have still any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.